Hello there. In this tutorial you will learn how to install and set up the Minecraft Console Client, abbreviated as MCC. If you have any unanswered questions after watching the video, feel free to open an issue or a discussion on the GitHub page of the Minecraft Console Client. The link to it is provided in the video description. The MCC team is always happy to help. Use the comments section below this video for feedback on the tutorial itself. No questions regarding the client will be answered here. What is the Minecraft Console Client? As the name suggests, it is a free and open source Minecraft client, created by Aurelio and written in C#, that runs within your terminal/console. Thereby, you can join a Minecraft server with minimal resources required. What is it used for? Many players use MCC for chatting or AFKing on servers, since you can run several instances at once and thereby, load several chunks with different farms on it, at the same time, with minimum load for your PC. On top of that, the client has an incredible amount of features beside just AFKing and chatting, which are further explained in this tutorial series. How can you download MCC? To download the client, visit the official GitHub repository, linked in the video description, scroll to the download section and download the latest development build. While we wait for the .exe to download, let's talk about credibility. Can you trust MCC? As mentioned in the beginning, MCC is open source. This means that the code needed to create the .exe is open to the public. Anyone can look into it, detect security issues, fix bugs and contribute to this project. Contributions must always be approved by the owners of the repository, in this case Aurelio and Reinforced Savai. If you have any doubts of credibility, which is completely justified, feel free to check and compile the code yourself or trust the currently over 800 people who gave this project a star. Meanwhile, you should be extra cautious about other YouTube videos that suggest to download a zip or RAR archive with an antiquated, in the worst case maliciously modified version of this client from shady sources, just because they provide some custom scripts. First rule of the internet: never download files from sources other than the official ones. You might get scammed. How can you start MCC? When the download has finished, start the .exe. On Windows you can just double-click it. If you get a Windows warning after double-clicking it, this is completely normal. Just click on More Info and then run anyway if you decide to trust the client after the discussion you just heard. You can also open a command prompt by clicking on the file path and entering cmd. Then drag and drop the .exe in the command window. After the start, the main configuration file, Minecraft Client.ini, should be created. If you want to run MCC on Linux, visit the link provided in the video description. The first thing the client will ask you for is a name. Here you can enter any valid Minecraft name. Press enter. The second thing will be the password for your account. If you already migrated the account, close the client, open the config file, search for type, change it to Microsoft, save it and restart the client. If you have no account, just press enter. But now you will be only able to join servers without Mojang authentication. In the third step, the client will ask for a server IP. Before joining any server, read the rules and ask an admin whether the use of the client is allowed on their server or not. You can also speed this process up by setting the previously entered arguments as parameters. A detailed explanation can be found in the video description. Now you have successfully established a connection to a Minecraft server. Congrats! If anything on the way here went wrong, try to repeat the process and feel free to open an issue or a discussion with your problem and a detailed description on the official GitHub repository. If you want to know more about this client and its features, you can watch my other videos where I explain MCC's features in detail. Thanks a lot for watching. Special thanks to Daihatsu Move for helping me translate the script.